Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
When can babies eat cherries? Fruit can be given to infants when they turn 8 months old. As cherry contains citric acid, feed the fruit in small portions and look out for possible reactions. Benefits of cherries for babies. 1. Cherries increase the baby's immunity and keep their eyes healthy. 2. It contains a good amount of fiber which helps in preventing constipation. 3. The fruit is rich in antioxidants which help develop and properly function a baby's brain. 4. It prevents anemia since the fruit is rich in iron. 5. The fruit regulates melatonin, a hormone which induces good sleep in babies who sleep less. 6. Eating cherries can keep the baby hydrated. 7. The calcium content in cherries helps develop healthy bones. 8. The antioxidant content in cherries reduces inflammation. How to select and store cherries? Always look for dark-colored, ripe, and firm cherries. Avoid the ones with cuts, bruises, or with a stale, dry stem. Fresh cherries should be wrapped in a plastic bag and stored in the refrigerator without washing. Wash them just before using them. How to give cherries to a baby? You can give cherries to your baby in a puree form, leaving a few chunky pieces or blend them finely. You can either feed this to your baby with a spoon or mix it with other foods. Can your baby be allergic to cherries? Ingesting a cherry sometimes leads to the pollen food allergy syndrome. In this, the mouth starts itching with or without a bit of swelling of the lips, tongue, palate, throat, running nose and watery eyes. Precautions to take before giving cherries to your child. 1. It is imperative to check if your child has a pollen allergy. In case they do, cherries are a definite no-no. 2. Always remember to remove the seeds of the cherries before giving them to your baby. 3. Peel off the the cherry skin as it is thick and difficult for babies to chew. Cherry recipes for babies. Cherry banana mix. Ingredients: 1. Banana 1. 2. Cherry 2. 3. Rice cereal 1/4 of a small bowl. How to make? 1. Stem and wash the cherries. 2. Cut them in halves and pit them. 3. Puree the banana and cherries together. 4. Add the rice cereal and puree again. Include cherries in your baby's diet and add an extra nutritional punch to it.